then I saw her face. I'm a believer, and not a trace of doubt in my mind. I'm in love.
Good morning, boys and girls. Happy Friday. Today is Friday, April 24th, 2020. Be sure to complete the attendance assignment in the portfolio section under attendance. Today, we'll have a reading and writing E&L lesson and a listening and speaking lesson. We'll also have math games Friday. Don't forget to complete your PE art and music assignments. Many of you have not completed them so far, so be sure to complete them today. If you're missing any work, be sure to go back and complete that as well. As a reminder, we'll be available to answer questions, comment on your work, or respond to messages until 2:30. We won't be answering during lunch, which is from 12:45 to 1:35. Have a great weekend.
I'm a believer, I couldn't leave her if I tried.